You want to start a YouTube channel but don't know where to begin or how to start? Don't worry, I'll give you some key points step by step. I'll also save your time and keep it very short with 3 important hooks. So let's dive into the video. I'm AI Owen Parker. The first thing before you start a YouTube channel is to think of yourself as a viewer or someone who watches YouTube videos. As a viewer, you don't watch everything, right? Similarly, others don't either. For example, someone who likes to watch smoothie videos or cocktail videos isn't going to watch a combined video of cooking and making smoothies. So if you want to do both, make them as separate videos. From start to finish, your video should focus on one category. Make sure you deliver the right message to viewers through your thumbnail and video title. If you do this properly, as I mentioned earlier, interested viewers will click your video. Compare your thumbnail with others. Make sure your thumbnail is an attractive and suitable one for your video. Because if your thumbnail doesn't catch the audience's eye, they won't click on your video. At the start, take more time to work on your thumbnail when it comes to the title. Don't make it complicated. Keep it simple and let it guide the audience to click your video. And with that, the first step and the first hook are done. In your first step, never be greedy for millions of views and ruin everything. The second thing about your video is its lengthy duration is key. This is another area where lots of new YouTubers and even experienced YouTubers make mistakes. If you have content for 7 minutes, never try to stretch it to 15 minutes, as it will bore viewers and drive them away from your videos. Because if viewers feel your videos are not worth their time, they won't watch any of your future videos again. This will also affect your YouTube algorithm. So never repeat your words or don't talk about same point again and again. Try to make your content clear for viewers. At the start, it's not all about earning money. It's about getting the basics right, gaining the trust of your audience, and improving your algorithm. By doing these things, you're not only creating one good video, but also build it to need a strong foundation for your future videos with this trust. The third thing. Now I'd like to call it the third level because improvement is key. And with the last 2 parts of information, you've definitely gained some knowledge about being a YouTuber. So let's call it as level 3. Now you know how to get people to click and how to keep them watching. Add one more thing to that, how to get your videos onto viewers' screens. Imagine it like this, a postman delivering post. That's right, your video should reach viewers all around the world. Then only they know about it and they can click. To do that, you need to upload your videos correctly. When uploading, make sure to enter the correct and suitable tags, because viewers search for videos using keywords. When they search with keywords, your video needs to appear in front of them. Tags play a key role in helping someone find your videos quickly. Therefore, you must add suitable tags to your videos in the upload section. This is the second hook for your video. Level 4, or the third hook, is understanding how to satisfy your audience. Because if you don't satisfy them, they'll leave halfway through the video and won't watch your other videos either. To avoid this, focus on all aspects. Make sure your title, thumbnail, and content match. That's very important. Your title can't point in one direction while your video goes in another. This cannot happen. Also, don't stretch your content unnecessarily. Keep the curiosity alive and never try to fool viewers. Always respect their time and ensure your content is valuable. That's how you gain respect and trust from your viewers. This hook is the most important hook. Level 5. This is the mother of all levels. To achieve success, you have to put in the effort and take the first step, which is making your first video. The beginning is all about learning to walk. It's not about running. Just upload and start understanding the process. Experiment with different types of content to identify strengths and areas for growth. Address common emotional hurdles, such as fear of judgment or self-doubt. Practice speaking naturally on camera to improve authenticity and relatability. Develop systems for content creation to maximize efficiency, especially if balancing YouTube with other responsibilities. Use tools, templates, and processes to streamline tasks like scripting, editing, and posting. Treat each video as a step toward improvement. Don't get fed up with having no views. What's important is improving your standard of content, editing skills, and learning how to upload correctly by improving your tags. There should be a significant difference between your first video and your 30th video. Improvement is key here. Without improvement is key here. Without improvement, you won't get any views. I hope you now have an idea about how to start a YouTube channel in 2025. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a like and feel free to leave a comment about the video. Your comments are welcome for our improvement too. Thank you for watching. I'm AI Owen Parker.